Welcome to the Revolution. We are here today to demonstrate how the Motorevolution pool controller works and how it can save you an incredible amount of money by eliminating waste as well as reducing your carbon footprint on a standard sized pool by 2.2 tons annually. What we have here is the Revolution 1 installed by a qualified electrician on an average size swimming pool pump of 1100 watts and 6.3 amps. It is really important to size your controller to the rating of the plate of the motor. I'm going to switch the unit on. The unit starts on a soft start and you can then see that the pump is running at 3000 RPM and at 50 Hz. What will happen now is your pump will run at that speed for 60 seconds. This is to ensure that your pump is fully primed and free from faults. 60 seconds have passed and you can now see that the pump is running at 1800 RPM and at 30 Hz, achieving a 70% energy saving and with a significant reduction in noise. Your pump is now consuming the correct amount of power to run your pump efficiently without any detriment to the flow rate of the water. As the controller drops down to 1800 RPM, the noise is reduced. The pump motor is spinning slower and causing less wear and tear, thereby extending the life of the motor. The key benefit besides the power saving is that the pool filters are set for a maximum and minimum flow rate. Now at 3000 RPM, it is way too much power for the filter itself. And by dropping it down, it will make your filter work better. So your pump is happy because it's running slower and quieter and cooler. Your filter is happy because it's running inside its guidelines, and further, your pipe work is under less pressure. If you have a pool cleaner, you may have to look inside your schema box and make an adjustment. If your pool cleaner is still not happy, what you need to do is go to the controller and using the up arrow key, you can pump up the speed of your motor to suit your pool cleaner. That's the higher speed and that's the lower speed, whatever you like. Now we find that at 1800 RPM, you can achieve savings of 70 to 75% depending on the size of the motor. In winter, greater energy savings can be achieved by setting your motor down to the lowest setting of 1500 RPM. You can achieve 80 to 85% saving on your pool pump's consumption. And with the growing electricity prices, why wouldn't you want one? We have two units. One of these is this unit here, Revolution 1, which will run single-phase motors up to 1.25 kilowatts or 6 amps, and the second is the Revolution 2 for motors up to 2.2 kilowatts or 9 amps. Now that we have been through operation of the controller, we need to mention an additional benefit. The unit comes with a 3-year unconditional warranty. Motorevolution has 3-phase controllers for motors from 2.2 kilowatts all the way up to 110 kilowatts, details of which will be made available on application. Our technology, developed in Australia over the last 15 years and manufactured in the United Kingdom, is not limited to swimming pools and can be used on any pump that moves air or water. For instance, water feature pumps, water transfer pumps, commercial pools, air extractor fans, irrigation pumps, cooling towers, HVAC systems, aquaculture, koi ponds, and spas. Join the revolution.